Okay, everything you see here is free, absolutely free to get started. Just go through the steps, do what I do, start making money. Let's jump right into it. First, you're going to go to My Passive Income System. Click on that. There will be a video right here, but it's not there right now because I'm making it. But you go up, you're going to click on that. It's going to bring you to this. You're going to click on Yes, Give Me Access. Guy's going to pop up. I'm not going to click on it because it's a video and not for copyright infringement purposes, blah, blah, blah. But you're going to click through this system. You're going to join a few things. He's going to show you exactly what to do. You're going to get your affiliate codes, blah, blah, blah. He is going to show you a thing about paid traffic. Don't worry about it. You're going to use that later after you've made money for free to get the paid traffic. So no matter what, it's going to be free traffic because you made the money for free. But anyways, just a little bit of your time. But you're going to click through all that. Join everything, blah, 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 get your affiliate link. Then, you're going to go to the next one, Funnel X. You're going to click on it. Do the same stuff. These questions pop up. Hit yes. Hit yes. Enter your email address. Let's see here. This is just a dummy email that I've made to show you guys because we're not going to join anything on this one right yet, not until we make money. But there's some videos on here that you might as well go ahead and join up to it. It's a few income streams that you're going to be using, and there's a video that I want you to watch. So, boom. Let's see. Scroll down. And your first name. Boom. Now what you're going to do, you're going to scroll all the way down. Yeah, there you go. Put in your name. On each of these pages, you're just going to scroll all the way down. You're going to skip everything. See these blue letters right here? Going to click go to next. Scroll down. Go to next. Scroll down. Blue letters. Go to next. Scroll down. Okay, no more blue letters. So now X out of this and go back and check your Gmail. And you're going to find a congrats. You're going to find a congrats email from Funnel X. You're going to click on that one. And here we go. Control, copy. Bring this over here. And you're going to go into your back office. Or you're going to log in or whatever. Click up here. Now all the videos that you skipped, you can find them right here. Getting started video, all the things that you're going to sign up for once you start making money. Not until then. But this video is the one that's important. How to promote and earn commissions. Once you do make money, you're going to watch this video and he's going to show you how to actually use Udemy to get your traffic the right way. The other guy really doesn't explain it. I've took these two systems and put them together and got the free traffic to help people get started. They clickbaited me and I done something good with it. But anyways, that's that. Then you're going to go up here to what to do next to get your affiliate link to promote. Click on it. We're going to scroll halfway down the page. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. There's your affiliate link there for that. After you've done that whole process, now you're going to make a blog post. You've got your 2 affiliate links. You're going to make a blog post. Go to Blogger. Sign up for Blogger. You're going to sign up with it with a Gmail account or whatever. You can make a new one, use one. It doesn't matter. Go to Blogger. Once you sign in, you're going to go to a page like this. You're going to go to New Post. Then what you're going to do, you're going to come back to My Post. And all you're going to do is, from here, you're just going to copy and paste everything. Just copy that, Control copy. Now you're going to go back here, click, Control view, and there we have it. Now you want to put your links in there. So you're going to click here, backspace till that disappears. You're going to go up here to where it says link. You're going to click on that. You're going to copy and paste your URL into there, into here, right here. It's also going to pop up here. But what you're going to do here is you're going to erase that, and you're going to type in what you just erased. What was that? My passive income stream. Where is that one at anyways? Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Control copy. Back here. Control view. And click OK. Now it's a clickable link. So you're going to do that. You're going to do that for both of these right here. So you can put in your affiliate links. The video will automatically, once I put the video in there and you copy and paste it, it'll automatically go over to. You can use my video. You can make another one. I'm not putting nothing with my video. Like if you click the YouTube, I don't have no links. I'm not going to add no more videos. This is just for people to use to help them out. If you want to make your own video, go ahead. Let's see. I think that is it. That's the whole process right there. Make sure that when you're on my blog post, you go up here and click the favorites and done. So that way you can go back to my blog post, because I'm going to keep updating it. Whenever I'm finding new free traffic techniques, paid traffic techniques, new systems just like these, anything to make money. First, but what you're going to do, you're going to make a few dollars at first. But within a week you'll make $100, maybe $300. But you have to reinvest some of that money. Put $100, go to your Earn Easy Commissions website, and upgrade to the monthly VIP for $100 for right now. And then you're going to take $100 and you're going to buy some traffic. And when you buy the traffic, just like the guy explains to you in the Funnel X system, you're going to buy the traffic, but instead of putting in his affiliate link, you're going to put in this website link up here to your blog post. You can go to tinyURL and shorten it or whatever if you want to. It's no big deal. But you're going to use this URL right. You're going to send people to this URL. Oh yeah, the free traffic. You're going to go to Twitter. Log into your Twitter. Go up here to search. You're going to type in, I need a job. All right, Nick. Don't worry about top. You're going to go to latest. See all these people posting about jobs, posting about jobs. It's all hours, all the time. What you're going to do, you're going to like, follow them, and answer them. You're going to DM them or whatever it's called. But you're going to direct message them, and you're going to tell them, hey, forget a job. Just do what I do. It's that easy. Just check out this blog post and do what I do for a living. And that's how you get your free traffic. You don't have to do it like I do. I got 5 accounts, and I do it for each account. I do it 4 times a day. I find 50 people 4 times a day on 5 accounts. But you can just do one and you'll still get traffic, and it's still, I go overboard with stuff. I want to make money fast, and I want to make more of it. So, but that's all you're going to do. Go through the system, join the things, the other stuff in the Funnel X. Once you start making money, you'll join more stuff, and you'll get the income when the other people join more stuff. But you don't spend no money out of your pocket right now. You join these programs and you promote them for free through Twitter with people that are already looking for money and a job. You can also type in I need money. That's another one. There's some type of Nicki Minaj thing right now where people are trying to, well, I probably found you on it. There's tons of people hashtagging Nicki Minaj to try to get her to, I don't know what the competition is, try to get her to pay for something. There's tons of people out there looking for money right now. This is the only easy way that you're going to find on the internet where somebody is truthful with you, telling you exactly how to do something and how to scale it up, how to start everything for free and scale it up at the same time. You can make money with no money, but if you want to make more money, you got to spend some money. It's that easy. I don't think there's anything left to be said. Go back, do everything. If I've missed something, if you need something, if you need some type of help, go into the blog comments. Comment what you need help with. I'll make a video. I'll answer your comment. I might make a video about it. Just let me know. If you found this video on YouTube, there's no links, nothing to click. Comment. I'll answer that comment and help you out. But this video is for the blog post and to help people out, and I'm not trying to steal from any of them their traffic. Well, good luck. Well, luck don't really have nothing to do with it. If you do everything it said, you're going to make money. I don't work anymore. I was a supervisor at my job, and I quit. I was making $15.50 an hour, and within 2.5 weeks, it took 2.5. I wanted to make sure I was going to get my first check. So I got my first check within 2.5 weeks, and I don't work anymore. And I'm still steady scaling up my bit. Now, I only got a check from one place. I'm still waiting on a few checks. I know they're definitely coming in. I've done my research. These are legit companies. Every company is good with the Better Business Bureau. You can do your own research yourself. But this video is almost up to 15 minutes. That's the limit I got on this Screeno-matic thing. Oh yeah, Screeno-matic is what I use. If you want to make your own video, it's real easy. Make your own video, upload it. Like I said, any questions, put it in the comments. Don't forget to like, save this post to your favorites so you can go back to it. I think that's it though. I think I covered everything. It's that easy. It's that easy. Just join the stuff, get your affiliate links, promote them on Twitter to people that are already looking for money and looking for a job. That's how I found you.